Now that you have your Special Collections account, you may now request a reading room appointment if you plan to view our collections in person. The Maryland Room is the designated reading room for Special Collections and University Archives. The reading room is located in Hornbeck Library at 3841 Campus Drive, College Park, Maryland 20742. The reading room is open from 10 a.m. to 4 p.m. Monday through Friday. Appointments are required to access Special Collections materials in person in the reading room. We recommend making an appointment before requesting materials so that you know exactly when you are coming and can provide that information when making your requests. Appointments should be made at least 3 business days in advance to provide our Special Collections staff with enough time to locate and make available the materials you have requested. See our Requesting Archival Materials video for more information on submitting requests. Our Special Collections staff are here to help, and reaching out before your visit can create a more robust research experience with us. Each curator is an expert in their subject area and will be able to help you determine relevant collections for your research and can assist in developing a research plan. Overviews of our collecting areas can be found on our Special Collections homepage, and each page will provide contact information for the staff member responsible for that collection. To request a reading room appointment, you can navigate to the UMD Special Collections from the UMD Libraries homepage by entering lib.umd.edu in your browser search bar. In the main menu across the top of your screen, click on Visit and Study to see a drop-down menu. Then you can select Visit Special Collections. On this page, you'll find some general information about visiting Special Collections and University Archives, including addresses and contact information, what steps to take prior to your visit, and what to expect when you are here. Underneath the Reading Room Locations section, you can click on the Request a Reading Room Appointment button, which will take you to a web form. The form starts by asking about your appointment date and time. Please select a date that is at least 3 business days in the future. The next section is about your research. We would like to know a little bit about your research topic and whether you have been in touch with any of our Special Collections staff members. If you have not had the opportunity to discuss your research with a member of our staff, but you would like to, please indicate yes to the final question in this section. This will specify that you'd like to have a research consultation with one of our Special Collections staff members prior to your visit. The next section asks whether you have registered for a UMD Special Collections account, if you have requested material, and whether you are visiting to view materials that are already placed on hold. Select yes to this last question in this section if you are scheduling a return visit to view items already on hold, or if you are part of a class where your professor has arranged to have materials placed on hold for your class. There is a space to specify the name of the class below. This information helps our staff members to identify what materials to have ready for you when you arrive. If you have requested new material or are planning to do so, we ask that you schedule your visit for 3 business days after the request has been made to allow us time for retrieval and any questions or concerns that may arise. The next section is all about you. Please enter each required field with the most accurate information possible so that we can assist you to the best of our ability. If you have any questions, please enter them in the final field of the form. If you're on a desktop device, when you click to enter information in this last field, a link should pop up to the right of the field with a link to extended information that may be helpful to you. Once the form is completely filled out, click Submit at the bottom of the page. You should receive an email copy of your appointment form, so please check your email. This may be helpful later when requesting items for your visit, which you can learn more about in the next video. Once you submit the reading room appointment form, it will be reviewed by Special Collections staff. A staff member will reach out with any questions or if additional information is needed. For help at any time or to change or cancel an appointment, please email us at askhornbeck@umd.edu. Please see our other tutorials for more information on creating Special Collections accounts, requesting material, and other topics related to archival research.